Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to see what are the difference between array list and a linked list in Java. So both are collection framework. So here we are going to see the difference. And if you see the difference of this array list and linked list, so this is one of the most frequently asked question in interviews. So that's why I'm specifically creating this video. So make sure if you're watching this video for the first time in our channel, so do subscribe so you will get a lot of updates from our channel. So those are going to be help you in interviews. So let's begin this video. We will see the difference between array list and linked list in order to one by one. Okay. Array list is internally uses a dynamic array to store elements. On the other hand, linked list is stored internally uses doubly linked list to store elements. And many of you don't know about doubly linked list. It will have the access, it will have the two pointer. If you talk about a list, this will have the pointer in the forward direction to its next node. And on the other hand, doubly linked list means this will point to the next node and the previous node. That is called as doubly linked list. To simply, in simple word, that is the definition for doubly linked list. So here we are talking about array and linked list, so we don't need to dive into the doubly linked list. So if you have a doubt, so I will post detailedly in upcoming video. I will post a clear video about a doubly linked list in our upcoming video. So there you can see. So in here, array list is slow because manipulation is slow in array list because it is internally uses an array. If any element is removed from the array, so all other elements are shifted in the memory. Because if we have 10 elements, so there we are deleting 8th element, so there this will shifting to all the elements memory would be changed. Okay, this will goes to the different array length. Okay, that's why it is all other elements are shifted in memory. Okay, so in here linked list, we can say it is faster than array list because it is uses a doubly linked list, so no bit shifting is required in in memory because it has two pointer. Next it will have the node pointer to the it will have the pointer to its next node and the previous node. So that's why it doesn't require this bit shifting in linked list. That's it. An array list class acts as a list only because it is implements a list only. And on the other hand, implements list and queue interfaces in linked list. Array list better for storing and accessing data, and the other hand linked list better for manipulating data. So you have to, if you are giving the difference between these two lists, you have to address two difference. That is very important. Array list is dynamically store elements. Linked list internally uses a doubly linked list, and array list is better for storing and accessing data. Linked list is better for manipulating data. So these two differences are enough in explaining these two. Okay, we are going to see the code, how it is working, and we are going to just declare those two array list and linked list. So we will see how to declare these two collection classes. Okay, first I'm going to write array list. I hope I gave the clear explanation about array list and linked list, so you can read the definition as well, and you can watch the video again, so that will be more clear and crisp. So that's it. So we have to import the package. After that, I'm going to add string element 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this is the array list declaration. Okay, uh, on we'll see how to declare the linked list. Okay, we can simply use list as well. List also implements these class interfaces, so we can simply put a list as well. So I'm using the linked list, no problem. Okay, I'm just importing the package in here. So we will put the same elements in here and linked list as well. So what I have to do is I have to change the object name in here. Okay, we've seen how to declare array list and linked list in here, and I'm going to print this array list and linked list. Yeah, that's it. So let's print this. Okay, both are same, right? So you can change remove this. So yeah, so in linked list and array list, so there are a lot of methods for doing manipulation. So we will do some we will see some methods. So those methods also going to be work in a linked list as well. So we will see in array list. Okay, the first method is adding element. So we've seen that, and we are going to the major elements or the method is used in array list. Okay, so here we are going to remove the particular element in the array list. Okay, so let's see, we have 4 in here. Okay, already seen the output. So here let's see, we removed this 4 element. Okay, on the other hand we can simply say like this as well. Sorry, 0 1 2 3, yeah, 3. This is also going to be work. We can mention the index, or we can directly enter the element. Okay, so both ways are preferred to use. And what we can say here, we are going to replace or set the value. Okay, value like yeah, for example we have the second index. Okay, so there we are going to, second means 1, first index, right? We are going to make them as 5. We are going to give the element as 5. So let's see. So here 5, we just changed the 5, right? So for this we can instead say, because now we added the element in here, so we don't need to use add to replace. So we can simply give the set. So here we can see 5, we replaced the 2 as 5. Okay, that is how we can do we can set the element in the particular index. So else we can say, we've seen more than 4 methods. So we can say, if we want to retrieve the size of the size of the objects, so we can simply put it like this, so we will see the size as well. Okay, wait a minute. For this we need to print in the different print statement, so then only we can get the size. Okay, let's see. Here we got the size, right? Yeah, that's it. Yeah, there are a lot of inbuilt methods that are going to be useful while doing the manipulation in ArrayList or LinkedList as well. So you can go Google and check it out, all the methods. So I already gave you the more than 5 or 6 method. So there are going to be more than 4 or 5. So you can do all the practice. Okay, you can use all of those methods which are going to help you. Okay, I gave you the major important method declaration here. Okay, that's it. So like that you can do all the manipulation in linked list as well. So as I told you before, the array and the linked list, so there we can't explicitly see the difference between them. So while doing this manipulation, the output are going to be same, okay, to see, but internally it has some different functionalities. So that's why I gave you this explanation in the definition. Okay. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. So I hope I gave the clear explanation about ArrayList and LinkedList. So if you are watching this video on our channel for the first time, so do subscribe and follow us, and you will get a lot of updates regarding programming, especially Java. So we will see in the next video with a different topic. So thanks for watching, and we all having great time.